Everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all well and good. A very warm welcome from Sheba Group of Schools online class. Yes children, now we are going to write the English classwork. Take your English classwork. So the pages is 192 ruled. And now we are going to see the supplementary reader. Supplementary reader, the name is Lost in Space. Lost in Space. The date is 14/9. 14/9. See the spelling of lost, L-O-S-T, lost. Give a finger gap here, in, I-N, in, finger gap again, space, S-P-A-C-E, space, lost in space. So cover the line by using the scale and pencil. So Roman number 1 is, say true or false, say true or false. There are 3 true or false having children. So after finishing the headlines, draw your lines by using the pencil and scale. Number 1, leave the line here. Number 1, Amudan locked the door behind him. Amudan locked the door behind him. False. Amudan avanave lock panala, aduva lock aayidhu. So here the statement is given as Amudan locked. So the statement is false. The answer also false. Amudan locked the door behind him. The answer is false. So the spelling of false, F-A-L-S-E, false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Leave a line. And then second one is, then went out through the broken window. Then went out through the broken window. அவங்க என்ன பண்ணாங்க, அந்த ஷட்டரில் இருக்க விண்டோ, அந்த விண்டோ உடஞ்சிச்சு இல்லையா, அந்த உடஞ்ச விண்டோ வெளியே தான் அவங்க வந்தாங்களே. ஸோ த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் இஸ் ட்ரூ, ஆன்சர் ஆல்சோ ட்ரூ. Then went out through the broken window. True. T-R-U-E, true. T-R-U-E, true. Second one is over. Leave a line. Number 3, the aliens gave a new shuttle to them. The aliens gave a new shuttle to them. False. Aliens new shuttle கொடுக்கல, கொண்டு வந்த ஷட்டலை ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி தான் கொடுத்தாங்க. ஸோ ஹியர் த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் இஸ் நியூ ஷட்டல். ஸோ த ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஃபால்ஸ். F-A-L-S-E, false. The aliens gave a new shuttle to them. False. So Roman number 1 is over children. Cover the line by using the pencil and scale. The first one is, say true or false. Number 1, Amudan locked the door behind him. False. Leave a line. Number 2, then went out through the broken window. Answer is true. Leave a line. Third one, the aliens gave a new shuttle to them. False. Roman number 1 is over. Cover the line by using the scale and pencil. Now we move on to Roman number 2. Roman number 2, name the character or speaker. Name the character or speaker. Here the 3 character or speaker is having children. After finishing the headlines, draw a line by using pencil and scale. Sharp your pencil first. Leave a line here. Number 1, are you all right? Number 1, are you all right? See here, the apostrophe symbol you have to put and the question mark you have to put. Are you all right? Who said this? Nilavan. Nilavan asking to Amudan. So are you all right, Nilavan? Amudan. So the answer is Nilavan. Who's asked this? Nilavan. N-I-L-A-V-A-N. Nilavan. The answer is Nilavan. N-I-L-A-V-A-N. Nilavan. So after finishing the first one, leave a line and then start writing the second one. Wake up, your ship is ready. Wake up, your ship is ready. Here also apostrophe mark you have to put. Wake up, full stop. Y is capital letter. Your ship is ready. Who said this? Alien said to Amudan and Nilavan. So this statement, who said this statement? Alien. The answer is alien. Alien தான சொன்னாங்க, எழுந்திருங்க ரெண்டு பேரும், உங்கள் ஷிப் ரெடி ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்ட்டு. ஸோ வேக் அப், யுவர் ஷிப் இஸ் ரெடி. ஏலியன். A-L-I-E-N. ஏலியன். A-L-I-E-N. alien. So the second one is over now. Leave a line for the third one. Third one, eat these capsules. Eat these capsules. இந்த capsules சாப்பிடுங்க சொன்னது யாரு? Alien. Who said this? Alien said to Amudan and Nilavan. So alien தான் சொன்னாங்க அமுதன் நிலவனுக்கும். eat these capsules. Answer is alien. See the spelling of alien, A-L-I-E-N, alien. See the spelling of alien, A-L-I-E-N. So third one is over, children. So here, see here, Roman number 2, the name the character or speaker. Three number is having, children. So the character or speaker is having 3. So first one is, are you all right? Who said this? Nilavan. Leave a line. Number 2, wake up, your ship is ready. The answer is alien. So leave a line. Number 3, eat these capsules. Answer is alien. So again leave a line. So draw a line by using scale and yes, children. Now we are going to see Roman number 3. The 2 Roman numbers are completed. Now third one, complete the sentences. Complete the sentences. There are 3 sentences are having. So complete the sentences. After finishing the headlines, draw a lines by using scale and pencil. So leave a line here. Number 1, an astronaut wears a space suit. So astronaut என்ன போடுவாங்க dress? நம்ம மாதிரி dressலாம் போட மாட்டாங்க இல்லையா? So astronaut போடுற dress பேர் என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Space suit. Space suit. S-P-A-C-E. Space shoot. S-U-I-T. Shoot. Space shoot. So draw a line. This is the answer here. Draw the line. An astronaut wears a space suit. An astronaut wears a space suit. The first one is over. Leave a line. Number 2. A space suit is like a spaceship. A space suit is like a spaceship. So space suit நம்ம அந்த ட்ரெஸ் எப்படி இருக்குமா பார்க்குறதுக்கு? ஸ்பேஸ் ஷிப் மாதிரியே இருக்கும். அந்த ட்ரெஸ் எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஸ்பேஸ் ஷிப் மாதிரியே இருக்கும். S-P-A-C-E. ஸ்பேஸ் ஷிப். S-H-I-P. ஸ்பேஸ் ஷிப். A space suit is like a space ship. So after finishing one word, leave a finger gap and write, children. So here the spaceship is answer. Draw a line by using scale and pencil here. So number third one is, second one is over. Leave a line here. Number third one, a space suit protect us from heat and cold. Space suit protect us from heat and cold. Space suit நம்ம போடுற ட்ரெஸ் எப்படி ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா ஹீட்டு கோல்டு ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம்? ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ணோம். A space suit protect us from heat and cold. Here the 2 answers. Heat, H-E-A-T, heat. Draw a line here. Cold, C-O-L-D, cold. Draw the line here. Okay, children. So the 3 complete the sentence. The third 3 is over. The first one is, an astronaut wears a space suit. First one over. Here the answer is space suit. Leave a line. Number 2, a space suit is like a space ship. Here the answer is spaceship. Draw a line. Leave a line. Number third one is, a space suit protect us from heat and cold. Leave one line. Draw a line by using scale and pencil. So third Roman number is completed. Now we are moving to fourth Roman number. Answer the following. So answer the following. After finishing the headlines, draw the line here. So there are 3 question answers are having, children. The first question is, where were the boys taken to? Where were the boys taken to? See here, W-H-E-R-E. So here, W-E-R-E. So W-H-E-R-E, leave finger gap. W-E-R-E. Where were the boys taken to? Question mark. You have to put the question mark. Leave one line for the answer. So here the answer. Before writing the answer, what should we do? Leave 2 finger gap. Before writing the answer, leave 2 finger gap. So the answer is, the boys were taken to outer space. Here the answer is outer space. Here the answer is outer space. The boys were taken to outer space. So after writing one word, leave a finger gap and write, children. The boys were taken to outer space. The first question is over now. Leave one line. Otherwise draw a line by using scale and pencil. Number 2, where did space shuttle land? Where did space shuttle land? எங்கே போய் land ஆச்சு அந்த space shuttle? ஒரு நியூ பிளானட்க்கு போச்சு இல்லையா? Where did space shuttle land? You have to put the question mark. Question mark. Leave a line here. So answer, before writing the answer, 2 finger gap you have to leave the space shuttle. See here, the answer is the space shuttle landed on a new planet. Already I told you, no, where it landed? New planet. The answer is on a new planet. Is this the answer? Okay children, the space shuttle landed on a new planet. So after finishing one word, leave a finger gap and write children. The second question is over now. Now we are moving to third question. Yes children, now we move on to third question. What did Nilavan see through the window? What did Nilavan see through the window? See here children, after finishing what, leave a finger gap, did finger gaps. So likewise, after finishing one word, you have to leave the finger gap and write children. Okay, what did Nilavan see through the window? Question mark. Leave one line for the answer. The answer is Nilavan saw an asteroid through the window. Nilavan saw an asteroid through the window. என்ன பார்க்குறான்? asteroid. Nilavan saw an asteroid through the window. So the third question is over now. So Roman number 4 is question answer. There are 3 questions are having. The first question is, where were the boys taken to? The boys were taken to outer space. First question over. Draw a line by using scale and pencil. Number 2, where did space shuttle land? Question mark. Leave one line for the answer. Before starting the answer, you have to leave 2 finger gap. The space shuttle landed on a new planet. So second question is over now. Leave a line. Then third question is, what did Nilavan see through the window? Question mark. The answer is Nilavan saw an asteroid through the window. 3 questions are over children. So draw a line by using scale and pencil. Write parent sign and get your parent signature. Yes children, I hope that how to write the classwork, isn't it children? So write the classwork neatly and clearly. Leave a finger gap and write. After finishing one Roman number, draw a line by using scale and pencil. We will meet in the next class children. Thank you children.